What's up, teacher friends? Thanks for joining me today. I've got a new game for you, and it is called Bamboozle. All right, so let's take a look at Bamboozle and see how gameplay works. Something that I like about Bamboozle is it is definitely different than your Kahoot, quizzes, Gimkit. I think that Bamboozle is probably better for lower level students. If your students are struggling, maybe special ed students that normally would get left behind in a game of Gimkit or Kahoot because they just don't answer fast enough. Bamboozle kind of levels the playing field because it gives everyone an equal opportunity to answer their questions. And I think that is a big selling point of this game. So let's check out one I made earlier. Just pulled this one out of the oven that I made earlier. So here's a Bamboozle game, and this game has questions in it here. There are 14. So I have 10 questions on my game that I created, and there are 14 on here. That means it has added some power-ups, some bonus things into it. We got team 1 and team 2, and you host this game, kind of like a game show host, like you're a game show host there in your classroom or in your Google Meet. Students don't have to have their own devices. You're the only one that is operating this. You're the only one that is using a device. Nobody else needs to have a device to do this, which is another way that it is going to be easy for you to incorporate this in your lessons. So Team 1 is highlighted here in blue. Team 2 is not, so it's Team 1's turn. So if we are Team 1, hey, Mr. Brown, we want question number 3. Pops up the question here. I have it set to give them 20 seconds. You can adjust that timer. If that's their final answer, we can hit check answer. And now as the teacher, I'm going to decide whether or not I'm going to award them the points or they got it wrong. So if I give them the points, it goes up there. They want question number 9. All right, so they've answered it, and they got it right. It was worth 20 points. Back to Team 1. Team 1 is going to pick question number 13. We're going to check their answer. Oh, no, they got it wrong, and they lost. Team 2's turn, question number 7. They got it right, and they earned their points. Now Team 1 again. We got a bonus came up here. A power-up came up. The ability to swap points. Back to Team 2. Reset all scores. Team 1 gets it right. Pulls off 20 points there. Team 2 gets it right. Moving our way through these. And again, you have kids working together in groups on these. With this math one, I'm going to be having them having whiteboards and working it out. We've only got 2 questions left. Each team has one more chance. Team 1 is 10 points ahead. Oh, swap points comes up again. Now Team 2's in the lead. Team 1 won the game. So that's Bamboozle. Host the game show in front of your class. Easy to do in person. Easy to do over Google Meets as well. Pretty cool. Check it out. Let me know. I'll make a Bamboozle for you and your kids. And I'd love to come in and be your guy Smiley and host a Bamboozle game for your class. All right, let me know. Thanks for checking this out, and remember to be nice to everybody.